Recovering deleted messages on Microsoft Teams can be crucial for retrieving important information. Follow these steps to attempt recovery of your deleted messages. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams. Launch the Microsoft Teams application on your device or access it through a web browser. Ensure you are logged in with the correct account associated with the messages you want to recover. Step 2. Check the chat history. Navigate to the chat section on the left sidebar. Look for the conversation where the message was deleted. If the message was part of a group chat, you may need to scroll through the chat history to find the relevant conversation. Step 3. Use search function. Utilize the search bar at the top of the Teams interface. Type in keywords or phrases from the deleted message. This may help you locate the conversation or any related messages that are still available. Step 4. Contact your administrator. If you are unable to find the deleted messages, reach out to your IT administrator. They may have access to backup systems or compliance tools that can help recover deleted messages from the Teams environment. Step 5. Check Microsoft 365 Compliance Center. If you have access, log into the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center. Navigate to the Contents Search or Audit sections where you may be able to find and recover deleted messages depending on your organization's retention policies. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Microsoft Teams can be challenging, following these steps may help you retrieve important information. If all else fails, consulting with your IT department is a good option for further assistance.